So what exactly is this thing that we call the vibe? We all talk about the vibe and we all refer to the vibe, but rarely do we try to explain the vibe or understand it. So what exactly is this thing that we call the vibe? So for example, is the vibe a physical phenomenon or is the vibe a metaphysical phenomenon? Is the vibe material or immaterial? Is it spiritual or non-spiritual? Can we see the vibe through a scientific lens? In other words, can we use the tools of science to better explain and understand the nature of the vibe? Or maybe the vibe is none of these things. Maybe the vibe is a catchphrase or a metaphor for emotion or affect, and maybe can refer to anything whatsoever. But if that's true, then why do so many people talk about the vibe and refer to the vibe? So again, what exactly is this thing that we call the vibe?